from the store. Let's get started. So I went ahead and picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade medium. I wanted a drugstore loose setting powder because I don't have any. This is the Precision Beauty Latex Free Sponges. Now, I already have a few of these. I just wanted to go ahead and restock, and I love that these are only like $3 to $4, and it come with 2 really good sponges. Also, I got the Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation, and this is in the shade, drum roll please, Cashmere. I also picked up the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. So this is actually in the shade Deep Tan. I also got the Black Radiance Matte Finishing Setting Spray. Now for the stars of the show, yeah, 2 of the Profusion palettes. This one is Upbeat Orange, and I really love this. This is the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette for me, I must say. Every color in this palette I can definitely see myself using every day for any makeup look, and I'm excited to see how well they layer on with each other. I also got the Banging Pinks palette. Now both palettes come with 8 shades. I did a small little swatch video for my Instagram, and I'll leave a little link in where you guys could see that. While I was at the store, I also got some makeup wipes. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my eye makeup and get ready to prepare for these eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna be right back. I have both palettes right here. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna go as far as the look. I'm kind of just winging it. I am going to start with the Upbeat Orange palette for sure. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to dig into Beat. And blend Beat in my crease. It's like a burnt orange. It's very pigmented, I can say that. It's a little chalky, but I like chalky when we're talking about matte shades, as long as they are blendable. Now I'm gonna take Unwind, work that right above. Not really sure what we are going to do. Let's use as many colors as possible. There is a lot of fallout. I personally don't mind fallout. I pretty much expect fallout with all of the shadows. Let's take, should I dig into the, well, let's stick with the orange palette. I'm gonna go in with Harvest, so pat that in my energy. Right there is pretty much where you have to make a decision on how many shades you want to use. I am starting to see a little bit of patchiness, but nonetheless, everything blends well still. So I pat Harvest in the outer V area, and then I went ahead and drug it above the lid, but not all the way up. Okay, I think I pretty much utilized the Upbeat Orange palette. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back in there, but we shall see. I'm not really sure how I wanna do this, so let's cut the crease. How are we gonna do this? Let's take Marble. Really pretty. Now Marble has a nice pink iridescent purple bluey tone to it. It's really cute. Not only are they blendable, you can definitely pack on a lot of eyeshadows on top of the shadows that are laid down. Not so much when I'm blending in the crease. So I went in with Adore and used that to blend the shades in the middle. So I have the lid done. The lid definitely needs more work. I need some more pinks on the eyes. So I'm gonna dab into Heartbreaker first and right above in the crease, the outer crease and corners. I stepped off camera to put on my lashes, but I wanted to say the lashes that I'm wearing, girl, she is way out of my league, honey. These are the ADH Mink collection, far beyond my reach when it comes to lashes. Very dramatic, but for the purpose of this video, we are gonna go with it. I just want to show you guys the lash. These are so cute. These are the ADH Mink collection lashes in Mazani or Bali Babe. I'm not quite sure. So today I recorded this eye makeup look. I actually combined both of these palettes together to create this look, and I must say I really love these palettes. Both palettes have 8 eyeshadows inside. These came at about $5 or $6 a piece. Now it says the color mixing possibilities are endless with this richly saturated 8-shade palette. I will say these are rich shades. I love the matte shades in both palettes. They layer very well. I did catch a few problems in the beginning, but I wasn't sure if it was because of the concealer that I chose to use while I created this look or what. So I'm going to create a few more looks using these two palettes and let you guys know how I feel further.